The system is designed for dispensing standard 300 ml RTV silicone cartridges with precision and consistency. Begin by attaching the cartridge tube adapter to the cartridge. Connect the ADoST pinch tube to ensure a smooth, controlled flow of material. Insert the 300 ml RTV silicone cartridge securely into the dispenser. Mount the appropriate ADoST Precision Dispensing nozzle for your application. Select Timer Mode for fixed volume dispensing with controlled cycle time. Adjust the dispensing pressure as per your application's requirement. Use programmable settings to increase or decrease the dispensing volume as needed for various applications. Switch to manual mode for free flow dispensing, ideal for bead applications requiring precision and control.